Alright, this one should be straightforward into the calculator. I think you got it. Let me see what happened here. Should be n equals 1009. X bar equals 11.2. S, I think in the calculator it might say S of X. 16.6. And our C level should be 0.90, and it should be a T interval in the calculator. Alright, so let's go to stat and then over to tests. Should be again a T interval. This time we have the stats, not the data. So X bar 11.2, S of X 16.6, N is 1009, confidence level 0.9, and calculate. I got 10.34 and 12.06. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Hopefully that is straightforward for you. Just T interval, data, and then type it in. That should be all there is to it. Sorry, not data, stats. Stats, and then just type it in. And that should be your two answers.